Let's find out what everybody's favorite plants are in this interview. Callie, what's your favorite plant? That one? Nice. Oh, yeah, she does love grass. Nice hiding. You can't hide. You're like 6'7". You can't hide. What's your favorite plant and why?
20 years of plants. I'm supposed to pick one.
That's the hard part.
Um,
Dramatic pause.
it is dramatic pause. I'd say probably my favorite perennial would be probably catmint.
Good choice.
Yeah.
What's your favorite shrub and why?
Favorite shrub? Well, I guess I would have to say maybe Yopon holly, dwarf Yopon holly, just because it's so easy and it survived. I have two of them in my yard, and it survived the big winter storms. Very easy to take care of. Yeah,
There's the reason why they've been our best-selling shrub for the last 50 years.
yeah, I like them.
Good answer. He has no idea we're here. Hey, Jeff.
Yeah.
What's your favorite plant and why?
Gomfrina.
Gomphrena.
Yeah. Unbelievable in the sun, and it'll reseed some.
Yeah. Nobody's out here. I see somebody. She looks busy. Hey, what are you doing?
Spraying.
What is your favorite plant and why?
Why is my favorite plant? Roses, because they're really pretty and really easy to take care
Roses.
of. And they smell really nice.
Do you have a favorite rose? I guess this is two questions now.
Yes, my favorite rose is Ink Spot. It's the darkest red rose I've found.
Good answer. Founder. I have a question. What's your favorite house plant?
Oh. Any succulent or cactus.
Any succulent or cactus? Do you have a favorite succulent or cactus?
I love my San Pedro a lot.
Where'd you get it?
From Felicia. I got a propagation.
Nice. Oh, speaking of, you gotta turn that camera around. Okay, what's your favorite house plant?
Dracaena.
Jacina, do you like
Whole family of Dracaena. All of them.
all of them? Okay.
All of them. They're great. Great plants.
They are easy.
Very easy.
Dave, you're the bird man, but do you have a favorite plant?
Do I have a favorite plant? Oh, tough pop quiz questions. Something colorful. Not particular, just I like colors.
What about you had good success with a house plant that surprised you?
Yeah, one of those aqua plants that you just put water in it. And,
Yeah.
And my poinsettia.
Did it do well for you
It
too?
did well. It lasted several months last winter.
There you go.
I need to branch out and do more indoor plants.
Was that a pun?
Uh-huh.
Hey, Sarah.
What's that?
What's your favorite plant?
My favorite plant? Snapdragon. Yep. My kids used to get them for me, so
Oh, so it's sentimental.
it is, it is.
Do you grow them?
I do. I do. I have yellow ones right now.
Hey, Rosie.
Rosie no está aquí.
No inglés.
No habla inglés.
¿Está bien? ¿Podemos hacer en español? ¿Cuál es tu planta favorita?
This right here. I don't know.
Hello, Debbie.
Hello.
What's your favorite plant and why?
My favorite plant? Oh, all of them.
That was my answer. You can't take that one.
Oh, I don't know. I just got a new mangave,
Oh, yeah.
and I'm really liking it because in the sun it's turning colors now.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I like it a lot.
Yeah, they're really cool.
Yeah,
Why do you have squash?
because somebody brought it to me out of their garden. They're so nice. Yeah.
Molly, what's your favorite plant?
Are we talking tropicals, bedding, annuals, perennials? Because I got a bunch.
Houseplant. What's your favorite houseplant?
I like the Brazilian pothos.
The philodendron Brazil.
Yes. Yeah. Yep, I like that one.
You have one?
It's going rather well.
This is the microphone.
Oh.
The camera's way over there.
Hi. Favorite bedding would be this year. I like the Rudabeckia.
Oh yeah.
I like that one. Favorite perennial. I think the hardy hibiscus. It comes back really good.
That's a good choice.
Good choice. Good choice.
Okay, so what is your favorite plant?
Peonies.
Ah, yeah. But why are they your favorite?
Just love the flowers. They're very brief, but they're so pretty when they're here.
So, Michael, what's your favorite plant?
For houseplants, it's bromeliads.
Bromeliads?
Yeah. For perennials, I'm with Greg. Catmint.
Okay.
And
Choice?
yeah.
Like an annual, what would be your favorite?
Annuals. That would be. That's a tough one. Sweet potato vine because it makes us a lot of money. And it's super easy.
Super easy. Oh. Cool. Good choices.